Alright, so we're looking at Minecraft here. This is the Aristoas hacked client, so don't mind that. I do a little bit of cheating, but with permission. We're going to go to a single player map here. This is the man-made map that you guys sent me to convert. We'll open that up. We'll have a look at what we can do. I'll show you a bit about Litematica. We'll assume, if we can't, we'll find you a tutorial on how to get Litematica installed. It's basically a mod like all the others. When you have Litematica installed, if you hit the M key, you will get a menu here where you can load or you can see your loaded schematics. Generally you use a stick to control this, and you hold control and scroll to cycle through the 9 different options on the bottom of the screen there. So generally you would go an area selection. This is how you make a schematic. So you'd go, say, here we go, left click on that. We'll go over to the opposite corner over here. We'll zip over a little quicker here. This needs to really work in creative mode. So we've got our bottom selected. We're going to fly up and over the top. We're going to look down. We're going to hold Alt and scroll back to select our area. From there we can hit M and we can go see what our area edit is. We can label it something. I've already saved it. We're going to label it something else. We're going to set that, save the schematic, save it as whatever we need. Okay, now we've done that, we can piss off over to a different area here, and we can hit M again. We can load a schematic, probably the mad, whatever we labeled it as. I'm in a different folder here, back a folder. I've been busy with this sort of stuff. Let's go made map 2. It won't be complete because we didn't select everything. We'll load that, and you make sure to tick this little tick box down here that says create placement. Here's our placement. Now what we can do here is we can hold control, scroll the scroll wheel till we go schematic placement. Then we can scroll you around and it'll move in the direction that we scroll our scroll wheel, so we can get it where we want, including up and down. You just got to look in that direction. When you're ready, you hold control, scroll your scroll wheel till it goes to position 5 where it says paste schematic in world. In the options in the config menu, there is an execute button under hotkeys. You can go execute. I've set that to K. So execute operation, I've set that to K, which means when you're here, you hit K in creative mode, and it's going to paste that into your world, and there you are. So you can open any old new world you want and load this schematic in, and that should work regardless of version. And I was 1 block off the bottom there, so that works pretty well. As far as getting your mod in, we'll find a tutorial for that, but hopefully that answers your question.